The Wavin Ekoplastik offers technology that saves time and effort when it's necessary to make a branch from a larger diameter pipe to a smaller one. Welding technology using weld-in saddles allows you to create branches from larger diameter pipes, namely 63, 75, 90 and 110 mm. Instead of the previous demanding and time-consuming method of creating branches with a T-piece fitting and one or more transition couplings, now you can create a branch with a neck diameter of 32 mm or 40 mm with one weld using a weld-in saddle. The branch can be further reduced to 25 or 20 mm. In addition, we manufacture weld-in saddles with an external or internal 3/4 inch thread. To create a branch, you only need a flat electrical arc welding set with a special nozzle and a drill with the appropriate drill bit, with which you can drill a hole at the point on the pipe where you want to add a branch. First, clean the hole. Working with stabby pipes, you should bevel the edges of the hole. Next, the hole on the fitting should be cleaned and degreased. Insert the welding machine nozzle into the hole in the pipe and make sure it follows the pipe axis. After the so-called lip or surface melt forms around the perimeter of the nozzle, put the weld-in saddle on the heating nozzle so that the marks on the saddle and the pipe match. Again, wait for the surface melt to form over the saddle perimeter. When working with stabby pipes, the heating nozzle must be inserted into the hole together with the weld-in saddle. The rest of the procedure is the same. Now, without pressing on them, heat up both parts. Heating takes 8 to 10 seconds, depending on the size of the weld-in saddle. Insert the sleeve of the heated saddle into the heated hole and keep it affixed until the surface melt partially cools down. This creates a durable and uniform welded seam. Weld-in saddles made by the company Wavin Ekoplastik provide a simple, quick and cost-saving solution for pipe branches.